Welcome to the Smartphone Learning Zone. This tutorial is an introduction to the phone app and the contacts app. If you don't have your phone app in this bottom tray and you want it there for easy access, go ahead and hold your finger on the app until they all start to wiggle, and then select the app you want to move and drag it into the bottom tray. That way it's accessible from any of the app screens. Alright, to get started, go ahead and open the phone app and you'll notice the icons live at the bottom of the screen. There are 5 icons to choose from and 5 icons that we're going to go over. On the far left you have the favorites. The next icon is recent calls. Those can be sorted by all calls or just the red missed calls. They can be sorted up at the top. The next icon is the contacts, and this is the exact same as the contacts app. So if you need to get your contacts, you can just go to your phone app and access them here. Next is the old school phone keypad, and the last icon is your voicemail, where you're going to access all of your voicemail. So let's go back to the keypad, select that, and it's just like an old school phone. We're going to hit 9 digits to enter in a fake number that's not actually going to call someone. So go ahead and enter 9 random digits and then hit the green button for call. Now when you're making a call, this new screen comes up. You can put the call on speaker, hit the red hang up to hang up. Alright, this time let's start making a old school phone call again by entering 9 digits, and this time we may have messed up. So see this delete button down here? Go ahead and press that 8 or 9 times to erase the number that you typed, and press the rest of the numbers that you want to dial. Hit the green button to make the call, and now you have the phone screen again. Place that in speaker and go ahead and mute your own voice so that no one can hear you talking. Take it off mute, and the call hung up before I was ready for it to hang up. Alright, so this time we're going to look at a few more options on the phone screen. So go ahead and dial another 9-digit number, and we're going to show the keypad just in case you need to enter things in, like to a computer. Hit the phone and then hit the keypad. Go ahead and enter in some numbers, and then here's this hide button to go back. So press the keypad, enter in numbers, press the hide button to go back. Let's go ahead and try that one more time. Go ahead and enter in a 9-digit number, make the call, and press the keypad. Enter in some values, hit the hide button, hit the keypad, enter some values, hide again, and the call ends. So now that we have the basics down, I'm going to go ahead and check my contacts. I think I'm going to call this phone from another phone just so that I have the actual, so that I don't have to be under a time restraint for the next activities. So I'm going to go ahead and call this phone, and I'll answer that. And so let's take a closer look at this phone screen here. There's 6 options. There is also a FaceTime option, and if you press that and the person has an iPhone, it will switch to FaceTime, which is pretty handy. There's also muting yourself so that they can't hear you. And there's also the Contacts app here. So if you press that, it'll pull up your contacts just in case you need to tell someone that phone number. See this green bar at the top will let you go back to your phone call. So you're back on your phone call and you want to add a conference call. You just hit add call and it brings up your contacts. And you could call someone from here. And also don't forget the keypad if you need to enter in something, hide, and the speaker function here if you need to look up something on your phone and you need to talk on speakerphone. We'll do that later.